Want to transform your life but feeling overwhelmed about where to start? Let me share a secret. Creating a healthy lifestyle doesn't have to be complicated or happen overnight. The key is starting small and building momentum. Think about it. Every major change in history started with a single step. Your health journey is no different. Instead of trying to overhaul your entire life in one day, let's break it down into simple, manageable steps. First, let's talk about water. Our bodies are made up of about 60% water, yet most of us aren't drinking enough. Start by adding just 1 extra glass of water each day. Place a water bottle on your desk or set reminders on your phone. Before you know it, staying hydrated becomes second nature. Now let's add some color to your plate. Don't stress about perfect nutrition. Just start adding 1 fruit or vegetable to each meal. Maybe it's a banana with breakfast, some carrots at lunch, or a side of broccoli at dinner. Small additions add up to big changes. Movement doesn't have to mean intense gym sessions. Just 15 minutes of walking each day can make a huge difference. Take a quick stroll during your lunch break, park further from the store, or walk around your neighborhood after dinner. These small windows of movement compound over time. Here's something many people overlook: sleep. Quality sleep is your body's reset button. Start by going to bed just 15 minutes earlier than usual. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, dim the lights, and put away those screens. Aim for 7-8 hours of solid rest. Now, about that junk food, I'm not saying you need to eliminate it completely. Start by replacing one processed snack with a healthier option each day. Instead of chips, try nuts. Instead of soda, try sparkling water with fruit. Remember, building a healthy lifestyle is a journey, not a race. Focus on progress, not perfection. Each small step you take is a victory. Start today, stay consistent, and watch how these simple changes transform your life, one healthy habit at a time. The best part? Once these small changes become habits, they'll feel as natural as brushing your teeth. Ready to take that first step? Which of these simple changes will you start with today?